how to download and install Webex on Windows PC or laptop. So let's get started. So first just head over to your favorite browser and simply search in for webex.com/download. So once you head over to this website, you should be redirected to this screen over here. So once you land on this page, you can see the Webex application is now only currently available for Windows higher than 32-bit, that is 64-bit. So you can also try to learn more from clicking on this button over here, that is about the learn more section of Webex. And you can see in this article that it only supports the Windows 64-bit currently and Windows 10 or later. So you can simply view it from over there as well. So once you are confirmed with that, just click on this download option to simply download and just open this .exe file to run it. And once you run it, you can see the installation file has been opened. So that is it for today, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.